I think the better word to say it, we all wanted as a consumer of aviation sector or for smart terminals, we all wanted a better connected travel where every part of the kind of a different dots can communicate with each other and can make the entire passenger experience more seamless and removing all the obstacles which are not getting fixed because different stakeholders are not able to interact with each other. So when I say smart terminals can only be achieved when we have more and more stakeholders kind of talking to each other in form of their data in certain way able to interact and redefine the passenger experience because that whether it may be in using AI or blockchain layer, that is something which be a key indispensable tools to make that thing happen. So yeah, I believe it's not gonna be one or two technology layer. Obviously, among there could be 10 different technologies, so you cannot discount others. Like nowadays, in terms of creating better passenger experiences, AR VR is being provided as experiential centers across the smart terminals. Then we talk about GenAI tools. Now, let's say Visa is coming up with a GenAI tool of defining your entire travel or at a one single touch point. It may be your bookings, it may be your access management and everything being automated on that particular thing. So similarly, there will be a array of technologies which will be AR, VR, AI, GenAI, blockchain, anything which would actually make all of these have a collaborative approach, or I would say across all there would be one winning technology which will be collaborative tech. So collaborative tech is going to be the game changer for the entire smart terminals because it will bring all the stakeholders together, and whosoever is going to leverage it will be sitting on a pile of yes. Right. So see, point is one part of is remove all the possible obstacles and it has to be a hybrid approach. It cannot be just all dependent on technology. It has to have a decent or significant layer of human intervention with the assistive tech being enabled to them. Because if you go with 100% tech, then it means you are walking away from the ESG goals for any of the organization itself. So it cannot be 100% technology which would be required. So you solve your use cases in the most simplified and the simplest manner possible. Also in this particular area, you can also look at where passengers footprint are being mapped and being informed to the passenger, while they know that their customer experience can be leveraged, but at what cost? Because again, user has to be put in center while making such decisions on that particular front. And obviously there are a lot of things which airports are already doing to cut out their electricity consumption. The way green airports has been taken up as a initiative across the geographies itself. So a lot of things are already happening, but I believe there's more yet to happen, or more yet to come in this direction. There aren't many of such platforms specifically for the aviation or the smart terminals. Okay, they aren't. So where you can bring multiple stakeholders together, have an open dialogue that okay, this is our problem, how you gonna solve for it, or if something is your on the other side of the maybe airline or airport, having an open communication that this is how we can actually work on this, or this is what we need from you. So collaborative ecosystem is very much required in the aviation sector, and if you are putting a step forward in that direction, then obviously you become the catalyst for the entire change, and that is something kudos to you and your team, because there aren't many platforms for this thing. When we talk about startups, GenAI consortiums, blockchain consortium, there are many, but for this direction, good kudos to you guys and effort which you are taking in this direction.